Right, hello, and welcome to the next episode. Now, today we're doing something a bit different, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, and before we start, I just want to say hello to all the new subscribers.
Hello,
We've got to over 200 already.
Yay!
Which is amazing, isn't it? We did about three and a half weeks.
Yeah.
And we've gone right up there. So, whoever you are, thanks for joining us.
Yes,
and I hope you enjoy the future content as well as the stuff we've already done.
Yes.
Right, now, for years and years and years, we've been together, what, 18 years? So, about 18 years, I've moaned that I've wanted a Sodastream.
Hasn't he just?
Yeah. So, right, and here we go. This is what we got. We have got the Sodastream Terra. Now, I saw this on Amazon, and it was apparently £119 all the way down to 60.
If you believe it.
If you believe that, because it's £70 everywhere else.
Yeah.
But here it is. So what we're going to do is we've used it all weekend, haven't we? We're going to show you it and tell you what we think, and we're going to work out whether it really is worth it, aren't we?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, it's already out of the box. I'm going to show you it here, and it's quite a lump. I'll go over the basics with you, because there is a few little tips and tricks to using one of these successfully, isn't there, as we've noticed?
There is.
But watch this, look. So, in the back, it's a simple cartridge. And all you do is this, take it out, and that is it. So there's different kinds of say it again.
Canisters.
There's different types of canisters and cartridges for the Sodastreams. I think they change them over the years, don't they?
Yeah, they used to
but
look different years ago.
Yeah, that's right. But it's a 60 litre one. It's not screwing. It's got like a butt top, if you like, and it just literally a butt top. Yeah, a butt top. I don't know. What would you call it?
Don't know.
It's like
It doesn't look
a valve. Right. It's really easy to put in. All you do is put it in the bottom like that. That's it. It's ready to go. It's got this back that goes on it like that. Right. Yeah. So there you go. It is ready to go. Now you get. I haven't got a bottle. You get a special type of bottle like this. An actual Sodastream bottle. It's meant to be a high pressure bottle, isn't it?
Apparently.
Yeah, and it goes into here, it fizzes the water up, and then you add your syrup, and then off you go. You've got nice drinks. I think these are a bit overpriced, a bit of a con.
They are, yeah.
We brought 4 extra of these, and they cost us £34 for 4 extra bottles. You get one with it, don't you?
Yeah.
So it's really, really expensive.
So
There's
like,
nothing unique about it.
And generally, you'd need more than one bottle.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is, we're going to make some Sodastream now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Have a little taste test, and we're going to tell you what it's like, right?
Yeah.
So what we're going to try is Pepsi Max. We've already taken the top off. It's a brand new one. We got 6 of these actual bottles, didn't we?
How much were they?
£30.
£30 from
That really ain't cheap, is it?
No, it's
And
not.
at the end of this video, we'll tell you how much it costs.
But how much does that make?
This makes 9 litres.
Each bottle, yeah.
Yeah. But at the end of this video, we'll tell you how much it costs to make one of these. And you'll be quite surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all that this is a concentrate, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Syrup.
And like I said, it makes 9 litres. Make your bubbles in here. Take the cap off. Tip a bit in using the markers on the blue lid.
It's little 2 or
And then
3
apparently
lines.
you've got Pepsi Max.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how it's done. Ready? Dead easy. Right. First things first. If you ever new to a Sodastream, don't fall for the fill this up with tap water, bung it in, pump it up, and you'll have bubbly water. It don't work, does it?
Nope. Flat.
It doesn't work at all.
Flat.
What we realise is this: if you don't use chilled water,
Yeah.
the CO2, the bubbles, doesn't take. You can pump it as
Doesn't
many
work.
times as you want.
We was going,
Yeah, we're
Why
speaking.
is it
Oh,
not
what a
working?
load of rubbish!
What a load of crap. Why is it not working?
So you really need
Yeah.
to do.
In
You
the
really need
fridge.
extra bottles like this, which are mega expensive.
yeah.
Pre-fill them up, put them in the
Put them in
fridge
the fridge, yeah.
for a few hours before you put them in this machine. Otherwise, it won't work.
No,
So this is how easy it is, though. Look, it's quite fun. The kids have liked it, haven't they?
they have, yeah.
You know, our son Jack, I said to him, what was it? You're going to need 2 or 3 pumps. And he's going to pump it 50 times, didn't he? Right, so all you've got to do is undo your lid, make sure your water's still chilled, put the spout in the top, click it in, that's it. It's really, really easy, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Anyone could do
So,
that.
in the book, what it says is, press the button 3 times for 1 second for normal fizzy, or 5 times for 1 second per pump for fizzy. Yeah? But we like to do 4 for 1 second each. Yeah? And we think that's about right, don't we?
I think you find your own fizziness, wouldn't you?
Yeah, because you can
individually.
make it too fizzy. Then it makes your drinks taste like really acidic.
Yeah, it gives it a really funny taste.
Yeah, and then you just can't get away from it, can you?
No,
Right, so I'm going to do it now. Ready? Right. 2, 3, 4. And there you go, right, so it's all charged up. And I think the key to doing this now is not to take it straight off, is to give it 20 or 30 seconds. Yeah, just to let it settle a bit. Because I think a lot of it escapes from the top, so it creates a seal.
Yeah.
And whilst we wait for that, we've got the Pepsi Max. We've also got, you drunk a lot of that, woman.
Oh no.
We've drunk a lot this over the weekend, which means we've drunk 9 litres.
With our gin.
We've also got the Sodastream branded flavours.
Yeah.
Which is Diet Tonic, which is really, really nice, isn't it?
It's a nice flavour, that
it's
one.
It's really, really nice. And again, they're still £5.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're quite expensive.
But, like I say, we buy a lot of bottles of tonic.
Yeah, that's right. We do drink a lot of gin, don't we? We can just go for it at the weekends.
We do.
Not in the week. Not tonight, no. Don't have a drink tonight, no.
Right.
Right, anyway, right. So that'll be all right to take off now. So here we go. What we do is bung it off like this. Really, really easy to do. Put some machine out of the way. Can't really see any bubbles in it, but they are there.
Yeah,
right, what do you want to do? Do you want to make Coke or do you want to make tonic?
Let's do a Coke.
Let's do a Coke, because everyone tries Coke. Right. So this is a bit messy. This is a bit annoying about these. Look, there you go, look. It's gone bloody side already. But it's a brand new bottle. On here is, if you can see it, it's got 3 marks. So you've got a bottom mark for like standard, which will give you the 9 litres.
Yeah.
An upper mark for more sweeter, which will probably just give you 4.5 litres, as in make up 4.5 litres. We'll go for the bottom mark out there. You can't really see because everything's the same colour.
No, it's hard to see it, isn't it, to be honest?
Yeah, we had that in there. And that is...
Oh, look at that fizz.
Yeah, it's fizzing now. That is apparently, well, going to be Pepsi Max. So you don't need to shake it.
No.
You know, the kids do, don't they?
It, don't
kids
we?
were like...
Yeah, obviously.
You don't need to. Just give it a little turn like that. And then, that's it, it's complete. You've got 1 litre. Yeah?
And it's really fizzy there, you can see.
Yeah, it's really fizzy. Right, let's pour one out now. So you should be able to see as we pour it out, the amount of fizziness should be about the same as a tin of Coke.
Tin of Coke, yeah.
Ish. Bring that over there then. You don't really get that, but the bottle's not been sealed for long, so, ready? This is what it's really like.
So it's nice and fizzy there.
Yeah, it's nice and fizzy. That's not bad, is it?
No, that's a good fizz there.
Yeah.
Like you'd expect.
And again, if you want it fizzy, you just give it one more pump. So there you go, give it a go, look.
Oh yeah, quite fizzy. Again, like you've just opened a can of Coke.
It's just really cold this morning. But, I will say, don't be fooled. We all know what Pepsi Max tastes like, don't we? You know, whether it's out of a can, whether you go to the pub and they pump it in, you know.
Yeah.
It tastes nothing like it, does it?
It doesn't taste like Pepsi Max to me.
It's similar.
I mean, obviously it is Pepsi Max.
Yeah, but it's nowhere near, I don't think.
I think, obviously, because of the way it's done, it doesn't taste quite
it is a
the
pleasant
same.
taste. But I think because we're using tap water as well.
Yeah.
You know, I used to work for Coca-Cola years ago. And the water that goes into Coke, so it'll be the same for Pepsi, it's actually proper filtered water to a certain standard.
But obviously that's not out the tap.
Yeah, so out the tap's not. So, oh, hello Dennis.
Although to be honest, the kids like it, so it's still a winner.
Yeah, so it's an easy thing to do. It's very quick and easy to make, isn't it? Right, and it does taste...
It's nice.
Really nice. Right, I'll stop waffling there. Here's the catch. Now, a normal bottle, I'm going to have to write this down. A normal bottle of Pepsi, at regular price, is what, £2?
£2.50.
£2.50?
Yeah.
Oh, that's quite expensive, isn't it?
They are now.
Or cheap value Coke, I like the Tesco's own one.
You do,
it's
yeah.
55p a bottle, which is 2 litre. But we worked this out. This is £5, right? For if you can make 9 litres out of that, that works out as 55 pence per litre.
Yeah.
Right? So that's that one bottle there. But time you add your gas, the gas bottle at the back does 60 litres. And if you divide that up, it actually works out as you're using 21 pence worth of gas to fill that up.
Yeah, so add that on.
So you add that and that together, like the gas and that comes to about 76 pence. So that's what it costs you.
Per litre.
Per litre, or £1.52 for 2 litres of a strange tasting Pepsi Max.
Yeah. But
So,
I mean, But it's still cheaper than Pepsi Max in the shops.
Yeah, it is still cheaper, but if you want to be all worldly about it, when it comes to saving plastic, it's a massive saving, isn't
Then
it?
it is, yeah.
I'd probably replace 10 bottles.
Yeah, of course.
10 plastic bottles.
Yeah, we
You
do
know.
use a lot, don't we?
Yeah, yeah, we do it the weekends. We like a really good drink.
Yeah.
These cartridges, if I take it out, it's really easy to do. This cartridge comes along with the Sodastream. So that costs us £61. This cartridge is actually £23 and it does...
By itself, yeah.
Yeah, it does 60 litres. If you take it back to the shop, say Asda, once it's empty, give it to them, they will give you another one for only £13.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how I've calculated, how I worked out the price.
Yeah.
So once that does about 60 litres, approximately 60 of them, once it's run out, it's £13 to replace. I think that's not too bad. It's not too bad. I think like with any machine like this, they can become a bit of a novelty.
They can, yeah.
When you first get it, the kids are like...
But, I mean, but the kids do always drink Coke at the weekends.
Yeah, at the weekends, yeah.
So
really,
yeah,
if you're interested in getting a Sodastream, I think it's a good idea.
I'd recommend it.
But bear in mind, if you work it out, we actually paid £61 for the machine. We've got 6 of these ones, the Tonics. We've got 6 of these ones. That was another £60. We've got 1 of these plastic bottles that come in the machine, plus we've got 4 more. That whole setup costs just over £140.
Yeah.
For a glass of Pepsi. And I think the cost of the machine pays for itself over time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're not always renewing that cost. But the bottles, and they should last, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
They're good quality bottles.
They're good bottles.
Yeah, so all in all, if you're prepared to pay out for the full kit, you're talking a few quid.
Yeah, but I think it's worth it, and it's good for convenience. I think
The drinks it makes are okay. Convenience-wise, it's brilliant.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah.
I agree.
So, for today, that is it. So if you want to get a Sodastream,
I recommend it.
go out and get one. But
Yeah.
do check out Sodastream's site.
Yeah.
They do better offers than
Better offers.
Amazon. You can have one of this machine, a spare bottle, couple of these, another one of these, for about 82 quid at the minute.
We saw it just after
Yeah,
we brought
after
this.
we've spent the money on this stuff. But anyway, right, that's it for today.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share on social media, and we'll see you next time.
I'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.